How to chat on Roblox PS4 for Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding chatting on Roblox on the PlayStation 4 while playing the Blox Fruits, and whether it is feasible or not. If you have engaged in Blox Fruits or any Roblox game on a computer or a mobile device, you can communicate by opening the chat, typing messages, and conversing with others within the game. This feature simplifies social interactions and connecting with friends. However, when it comes to console versions like Blox Fruits or Roblox in general, you'll notice the absence of the chat icon up in entry. Despite searching through the menus, chatting with others in console versions remain unachievable. This limitation, likely due to the security considerations, prohibits the players from engaging in chat within the game or on the consoles. While alternatives like the Discord or Roblox mobile chat exist, direct in-game chatting or on consoles remain unattainable unless an update alters this. This video aims to inform viewers that utilizing the chat function on PlayStation 4 in Roblox or Blox Fruits is currently impossible. Exploring other communication avenues such as Discord or the Roblox mobile app is advised. If this video has addressed your queries, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.